Finish studying analytical chemistry? Okay, let's test how far you understood. Today's question is from the chemical calculations. What mass of potassium sulfate would be needed to prepare 250 cubic centimeters of a solution of concentration 0.0450 moles per cubic decimeter? The molar mass of potassium sulfate is 174.3 grams per mole. Option 1, 1.96 grams. Option 2, 7.84 grams. Option 3, 19.6 grams. Option 4, 31.4 grams. In these types of calculation questions, there are no shortcuts or long paths. There is just one method, but your speed and accuracy improve the more you practice. At some point, you will see the answer path forming in your head while you are still reading the question. That is exactly the kind of practice we want to build. First, let's navigate through the question and pick out the key information. Remember, no pen or paper yet. The given information is volume, concentration, and molar mass. They want us to find the mass. Let's glance at the answer choices. All are in grams and all look possible, so we need to calculate. When volume and concentration are given, we can find moles. The formula linking them is N equals C into V. When we have moles and molar mass, we can find mass. The formula is M equals N into M by dO. Now that we see the answer path, it's time to grab the pencil and do the calculations. Remember, volume must be in cubic decimeters. The correct answer is option 1, 1.96 grams. Now, one of the most important things in chemical calculations is careful substitution of values and careful checking after each step. This avoids mistakes and makes corrections easier. This method applies to short questions, long questions, easy ones, and difficult ones. The trick is to spend 90% of your time planning the answer, 9% on careful substitution and double checking, and the final 1% writing the actual answer. Do not spend 90% of your time scribbling with the pen. You'll most likely end up hating chemical calculations, which would be unfortunate. If you haven't studied calculations today, save this for later. And if you know someone who struggles with chemistry calculations, share this with them, because we all get better when we share. More study questions are coming in the future. Happy studying. Yours, Atom Academy.